Hey, what's going on, guys? Extra Cat back here with another video, and today I'm gonna be playing Midnight Train again. And I know I played this in the past, and it was kind of one of the most freaking videos I've done in a long time, you can see. But anyways, we're gonna get started, and we're gonna start playing. Let's go in the shop. Go fast, pumpkin, pistol. More powerful and gift. So we could gift. Nah. Wait, what? Join to claim a free 20 gun? Okay, I am doing that right now. Let's go to servers. Wait, not servers. I'm so stupid. It is developer. Join community. Oh, here it is. Oh, that's fun. Stupid. Alright, guys, so we're gonna do one player. And let's start. Alright, guys, here we go. Hey, where's my toy gun? Oh, there's my pistol. Oh, yeah, I didn't tell you guys I bought the pistol.
Working here is really starting to get on my nerves.
Damn.
Never even liked working night shifts anyway.
Cool.
But it is definitely my fault for choosing this stupid job.
Damn, L.
I wonder what's been happening on the radio lately.
Alright, let's see what's going on the radio.
Warning. This is not a drill. A mysterious creature has been spotted in the area. The conspiracies were correct. Do not hesitate to report any suspicious activity you make.
Great.
Nice.
Well, at least I heard it before this stupid radio cut out yet again.
Well,
Anyways, I got a bad feeling about this night. Hopefully it'll be over quick.
yeah, same here. Don't want to do this. Alright, guys, let's see what we gotta do. So we're already here. Enter the office. I'm not British. What is this?
Bruh.
I don't know. Turn on the light. Turn on the lights. Yeah. Alright, guys. So turn the lights on. I don't want to be dark in here. Wait. Alright, guys. So this is kind of getting bad because the music. Alright. Editor, put in some music, please. Oh, that's way better. Alright. Let's see what we gotta do to finish this game for once and for all. Come to train. Midnight Train, let's go. Alright, guys, let's see what we got. Check out the train schedule. Looks like everything is going fine. Wait for customer to enter. Let's explore a bit. Okay, so it's raining like hell outside. That's what I know. I am not going over there. Alright. No one's here. Oh, there he is. Look at this guy. Assist the client with his purchase. Alright, let's see what bro wants.
Hello. I'd like to purchase a train ticket to Paris, please.
Jesus, this guy's ugly, bro. Alright, that'll be 70 and
Whoa.
20.
That's very expensive.
Well, you're literally going to trip of Paris, so what do you expect? That's what I'm saying!
Whatever, man. Here's the cash. Keep the change, too.
Yay, money. Give me money. Give me the money. Yeah, we got the money, guys. Oh, let's see what our objective is now. Shut up. Who's texting me? What now? Oh, flashlight. Yo, how much is the flashlight? Nars. So that's a gun I have, guys. If you guys didn't know, it's right here. Wait for a customer to enter. Yo, come on, bro. You know what? At that point, I want to go over there, but I'm not gonna do that. Hello, ma'am. Ooh, beans. Hello, ma'am. Damn, she's ugly as too.
Hey, when did the train to Paris leave?
Nice.
Oh, interesting. Some guy told me it had already left, so he took my ticket.
Damn, that's an L. Yup.
Can I get it back then? I basically got scammed, you know.
Well, it's your fault, bro.
Well, I wouldn't lie about such a thing. Why would I even record me talking to a stranger? So, can I get refunded at the
okay, she
very
has a
least?
No. You can get shot though. I'm good. Yeah. What he said.
This customer service is terrible. I'll make sure to let your manager know.
I'm sure my manager is gonna, side with me because you're being a fucking idiot. Alright, get out of here before I shoot you. Come on. I don't want people like you in your store. Yeah, come on, get out of here. Get out of here.
Urgent message. Police have came out and told us that the creature was located. It is currently heading towards a train station, presumably in an attempt to escape the city. Suspect is identifiable by the fact that it looks like nothing we've ever seen before. Dial 911 immediately if you see something or someone with the aforementioned appearance.
Yo, that's crazy. Alright guys, this just got a lot worse. Oh, what the hell? What is that? Let me see this guy. That does not look human.
Hi. Train ticket to
There you go,
Paris.
dead.
Please.
Oh my god. Oh, he's still looking at me. Ew, die. Oh my god, that looks
No.
What do you mean no?
Need ticket. Now. For
Yo,
free.
who's texting me? Shut up. Here's the thing. Personally, I would give this guy a ticket. I don't care what
Please.
kind of demon he is.
I need it.
But the thing is that
Now.
the passengers, next
Any
to him are
empty
gonna
seat.
be mad.
Any.
freaked out.
Please. Thank you.
So yeah, I would give it to him for free. But it's just the passengers are gonna get
Okay,
they're gonna start
fine.
screaming if they actually.
Bye.
Shut up! Shut up! Stop texting me. Anyway, sorry guys. Okay, I shot this guy, so now he's gonna. Oh, I have a friend now. You know what it reminds me of? It looks like that guy from 99 Nights in the Forest. Look at this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna kick him. Oh, what the hell? Later in the night. So this guy's still dead. No, for real, dude. What's going on here? Grab the broom. Where's the broom? Oh, it's over there. Oh, don't tell me I have to clean up. Oh yeah, I did that last video. I forgot. You know what, guys? Let's keep cleaning. Alright, guys. That's it. Objective, clear the train track. Alright, you know what, sure. Time to clear the train track. Alright, guys, we got it. What do you mean? Holy fuck! Oh my god, that scared me. Die. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Yo, 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 yo. Yo, that guy was crawling, bro. Die, 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 please die. Yo. Yo, 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 yo. Oh, what the f? He disappeared. That is absolutely... That was odd. Okay. What is this? Alright, let's wake up this. Wake up, bro. Wake up. Your flight will be arriving soon. Yeah, don't miss it.
Oh, thanks.
Yo, that was so scary.
I totally would have missed
I
it.
don't know how I'm... Yo, how did I get scared from that, bro? Like, I played this game before.
Will do.
No, don't even...
Stay safe,
Y'all
man.
start
I heard the
saying
creature
that.
is heading towards a train
I
station.
played this game before, and I swear to God, I never got jump scared by that. Wait, did I? You b****. Okay. Anyway, guys. Wait for customer to enter. No, that's just beautiful. Oh, come on, just enter, please. I need to steal some money. I need to step on my laptop. I'm gonna type with my feet, guys. I'm scared. What the hell? Is that Jeff the Killer? Alright, guys. Oh, someone entered. Hello, sir. What the heck? Assist? Oh, wait, we gotta do this
Hello.
faster for his... Hello. Hi. Hey, how can I help you?
I need a train ticket to Amsterdam, please.
Amsterdam. Alright, that's $65. Be quick though. Here, last second, and it's right now.
Oh, well, I don't got enough time then. Just refund my ticket.
Just run. Collect the cash. Oh, well, he paid, at least. Unlike that other guy who wanted to get it free. What's next? Oh, garbage. Oh, what the? Oh, phone. Hello, you reached the midnight train station. How can I help you?
Hey, it's your boss. Just calling to check in real quick and let you know something.
What's up? What's up? What?
Good to hear. I've been well. But I wanted to tell you something. Tonight is really important. An incident
bullshit.
occurred and I really need you to stay this full shift.
That's nice. I don't care. I better be.
It could determine what keeps this train station up and operating.
$200 to get through this, bro. Matter of fact, 500. I'll take 500.
Alright, thanks.
That's nice.
Knew I could count on you.
Faster.
Have a
walks
good
me.
night. Stay safe.
Yeah, I'm being forced to. So yeah. So, not even start. What now? All right, who do we have now? Please be someone that's actually, what do you call him? Please don't be that damn demon again. This would be nice. Okay, it's a normal person. Let's see who it is. Alright, let's see.
Hello, sir. May I have a seat on a
Holy
train to
shit.
London, please?
Bro, why are all my customers so damn ugly?
All right, not a dent in my pocket.
What a flex.
Also, I could have sworn I saw some suspicious man wandering around here.
I'm gonna shoot
It
you.
would be a smart choice.
I feel like this is not even a modern day horror game. Cause I feel like nah, is it? Well, if they still use those phones, probably not. And if at that point we still have revolvers, probably it's like an old era in this game. We're supposed to. Oh wait, I forgot. We have cars though. But it's like the old kind of cars. But there's no. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is a modern day. Oh yeah, look at the computers, bro. I don't. Yeah, it would be like a flat screen computer. If it was like modern day. But I don't think it is. I don't know. I'm gonna say it's like the 2000s. I don't think this would be modern. And also there's like whatever the hell that is. Check it out. Flowers, bikes, graffiti. Yeah, this is most likely is 2000s. Check the outdoors. Let's see what's going on, guys. Nothing. Guys, let's see what's going on. Check the outdoors. Alright. Nothing. Everything's clear. Well, let's see what's up over here. It doesn't look like anything out here. Alright. Can I walk? Oh, yo! Did I just kill him? Rats. Come here, rat. Ew, what does it sound like that? Wait, what the hell? Here, stupid rat. Alright, dead. Can I like go? Alright, thank you. Pick up the trash. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let's throw away the garbage, guys. Wait for the customer to enter. I'm not sure. What the hell? I do not trust that. Alright, come on. You're taking too long. What's up? Okay, at least it's not another demon. Alright, guys. Is this an officer?
Possibly. I've gotten a couple calls about missing luggage and stolen tickets around here. Has everything been going fine? Nothing out of the ordinary?
Oh, kind of.
Alright then, have a good rest of your night.
I am so stupid. No,
Before I leave, I
You guys
spotted a
remember when I
burning
was saying it
vehicle
was
on the way
modern
here.
day?
Called back
Well,
up to deal
says
with
it is
it
modern
while I
day.
came up
Look
here.
Look at the right bottom.
Just letting you know.
There's a damn
But there's
date,
been a
and
lot
That's the specific. That's a.
going around
I
here.
don't even know what date.
Stay
it is.
safe.
But it's most likely yeah. But why would they still use these type of computers? I do not know. This does not look like modern day, and it's not even Halloween too. So I'm gonna step on this. Oh. Pumpkin lantern. Don't need that. Alright, guys, what we gotta do now? Grab a fire extinguisher. What now? Oh, please don't tell me something burned down. Oh God, what happened now? What happened now? What happened now? Oh, alright guys, so apparently there's a car on fire, so let's just put it out. Come on. Extinguish the fire. Alright, I should do it. Come on. Oh. Dude. Job done. I love this gun. For real. Everybody's so damn weird. Hey, let me in. Okay, guys. Alright, guys, let's see what we got. Come on. I'm waiting. Whoa. Just one more customer. Please let this be it. Okay, yeah, there's another guy. He looks so damn ugly too. Oh my god. See what bro wants. Hello, how can I help you?
Hey, I need a train ticket heading to Berlin.
Oh, Berlin. So bro's German? Yeah, I can see why that's a high cost.
Whoa, you're kidding, right? Haha, nice joke. Here's $40, take it or leave it. What? Do you want the bumpy ride to get me killed?
Yeah, Berlin
Fine.
is a nice
Here's the money.
place. Like, check this out. I think that's too much over $80, but you know what? I think we scammed this guy. Oh, well. What now? Oh my god, bro. Jesus Christ. Even in the game, I'm being called. Can y'all believe that? Get out of here. Phone. I guess that's phone on it. Oh, for real, bro. I feel bad for this guy.
Hello, this is the police. We're calling because we believe the creature is at your stay.
Oh my god, that's just so freaking great. Oh my god, of course. Where's the generator thingy? Jesus. Oh, I think it did, dude. Oh, so that's what the wrench is about. Wait, move out of the way, please. Oh, let's go fix this damn generator. Repair the generator at the back. Alright. Kinda want to get a flashlight, but I'm not spending more Robux.
You shot the monster saving everybody.
Wait, what? Oh my god, hero ending. Yo! Alright guys, so I guess that's the end of the video. I ended up shooting the hell out of him. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. And what is this? Midnight Christmas? Alright guys, I will play this if this video gets like at least 5 likes. At least 5. At least I'll give him 5. 5. Just 5. Alright, so just 5 likes and I'll play this game. This game. Like this one. What the hell is that? That's a man from the window. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. And if not, I'm just gonna post a video right now, probably. Alright guys, see you guys later.